Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how you can enable fax receipts for your Vumber number. Enabling fax receipts allows your Vumber number to detect incoming faxes automatically. These faxes are converted to PDF format, making them easy to download, view, and store. You also have the option to receive these faxes via email. Let's get started. Start off by opening up the Vumber app on your device. When logged in, tap the hamburger located in the top left. When this opens the sidebar menu, hit My Numbers. Select Configure beside the Vumber you wish to enable fax receipts for. Then tap Fax Receipts. From here, simply tap the box under Fax Capture to enable fax receipts. Once enabled, you will have the option to send your received faxes as attachments to your email. And it's as simple as that. Please note, not all Vumbers can be self-enabled for fax. If you don't have the option from this screen, just let us know and we can do that for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.